Hi everyone, today in front of me I have Xiaomi Poco F4 GT smartphone, and in this video we are going to demonstrate how you can enable the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. So as you will see right now, there is no separate number row, so in order to activate it we gotta go to the keyboard settings, either by tapping on this gear icon or opening the settings application. Here choose additional settings, languages and inputs, manage keyboards, choose the keyboard that is currently activated for your device. In my case and by default it is always going to be the Gboard. At the Gboard settings, go for the preferences, and all that it's left to do is to turn on the switch. And as you will see now, the separate number row has been successfully activated. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.